Dear student of class 10, good morning. Today we are going to read the first chapter of chemistry. The name of first chapter is chemical reaction and equation. First of all, we should know what is the definition of chemical reaction. The process in which new substances with new properties are formed is called chemical reaction. During chemical reaction, a rearrangement of atoms take place between the reacting substances. This is why during chemical reaction new substances with new properties produces. During chemical reactions new chemical bonds are formed among atoms. Now reactants, the substances which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactant. Product, the new substances produced as a result of a chemical reaction are called product. Magnesium, the symbol of magnesium is Mg, is a silvery white metal. It is available in science laboratory in the form of magnesium ribbon or magnesium wire. Chemical reaction between magnesium and oxygen. When a magnesium ribbon is heated, it burns in air with dazzling white flame. Dazzling means shining white flame to form a white powder called magnesium oxide. During magnesium combined with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. The reaction involved is 2 Mg plus O2 heat arrow 2 MgO. Here magnesium and oxygen are called reactants because magnesium react with oxygen and after reaction and produces magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is product. Here properties of magnesium oxide are entirely different from magnesium and oxygen. The magnesium ribbon has a coating of magnesium oxide on its surface which is formed by the slow action of oxygen. So magnesium is rubbed with a sandpaper to remove the protective layer of magnesium oxide before burning so that it may readily combine with the oxygen. Burning of magnesium ribbon is harmful to our eyes because it produces dazzling white light. Therefore, it should be kept away as possible from the eyes. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन, किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए उसका कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है और ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है एवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैसेस, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेट, चेंज इन कलर, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर एंड चेंज इन स्टेट. फर्स्ट, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस. इसमें कुछ रिएक्शंस हम लोग देखेंगे कि उस रिएक्शंस को कैसे हम इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस के द्वारा कैरेक्टराइज करते हैं. जैसे व्हेन जिंक ग्रेन्यूल्स रिएक्ट विथ डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, देन bubbles of hydrogen gas are produced. Since in this reaction hydrogen gas is produced, so this reaction is characterized by evolution of gas. Reaction involved है Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Similarly, when Zn react with HCl, it produces zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. When magnesium react with dilute hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is produced. Mg plus HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. When dilute hydrochloric acid is poured over sodium carbonate, then carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Na2CO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Reaction carbon dioxide gas is produced, so this reaction is characterized by the evolution of gas. Precipitate. A precipitate is a solid product which separates out from the solution during a chemical reaction. A precipitate can be formed by mixing aqueous solution of reactant when one of them is insoluble in water. Here a word is aqueous. Aqueous means the solution in which water is used as a solvent. Next, a precipitate can also be formed by passing a gas into an aqueous solution of a substance. Now, formation of a precipitate. There are many reactions in which precipitate is produced. So, first reaction is when potassium iodide solution is added to a solution of lead nitrate, then a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed along with a solution of potassium nitrate. Here a short form PPT is used for precipitate. The equation for this reaction is 2Ki plus PbNO3 twice gives PbI2, which is lead iodide, which is a precipitate, yellow precipitate, and 2KNO3 means nitric acid. Second reaction is when dilute sulfuric acid is added to barium chloride solution taken in a test tube, then white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Reaction is equation is barium chloride BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus HCl. Here barium sulfate is white precipitate produced in this reaction. There are also some reaction in which different precipitates are produced, and some reactions are when silver nitrate is react with sodium chloride, AgCl, silver chloride is produced as a white precipitate. Next reaction is barium chloride when react with sodium sulfate, it produces a white precipitate BaSO4, barium sulfate. Third characteristic is change in color. Some reactions are characterized by the change in color. First reaction is when citric acid react with potassium permanganate. The formula for potassium permanganate KMnO4 solution, then the purple color of potassium permanganate solution disappear. The original color of potassium permanganate is purple. When sulfur dioxide SO2 gas is passed through acidified potassium dichromate. Here the formula of potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7 and acidified potassium dicarbonate is K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 solution. Then the orange color of potassium dichromate solution changes to green. In this reaction there is change in color. The color of potassium dichromate is orange changes into green. When chemical reaction produces heat energy, then temperature of reaction mixture rises, means increases, and it becomes hot. When chemical reaction absorb heat energy, then the temperature of reaction mixture fall, means decrease, and it becomes cold. Here calcium oxide, the formula of calcium oxide is CaO, which is known as lime, only lime or quicklime. The calcium hydroxide, formula of calcium hydroxide is KaOH twice, and this the formula for calcium hydroxide is CaOH twice, and it is known as slaked lime. Now change in temperature. When quicklime calcium oxide react with water, then slaked lime is formed and lot of heat energy is produced. Reaction is CaO plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide plus heat. Zn plus H2SO4 when react is with each other, it produces zinc sulfate plus hydrogen plus heat. When carbon burned in the presence of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide plus heat. When barium hydroxide is added to ammonium chloride, then barium chloride, ammonia and water form. During this reaction, lot of heat energy is absorbed. Due to this, the temperature of reaction mixture falls. BaOH twice plus NH4Cl plus heat gives BaCl2 plus ammonia NH3 plus H2O. Now exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? The reaction in which heat is produced is called exothermic reaction. Reaction is when carbon combined with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide plus heat. Because in this during this reaction heat is produced, so this reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Another reaction is endothermic reaction, the chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed during reaction is called endothermic reaction. As example, when lead nitrate is heated, it decomposes into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. In this reaction, heat is absorbed, so this reaction is called endothermic reaction. Change in state. When wax is burned, then water and carbon dioxide are formed. Reaction is wax plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. There we have to clear that when anything start to burn, it combine with oxygen. Some reactions are characterized by more than one characteristic. As example, the chemical reaction between zinc granules and sulfuric acid shows two characteristics: evolution of gas and change in temperature. That's all.